Andy Wells here from Tech Daily, and we are back for another unboxing. Well, guess who? Google. All right, let's just get straight into it. Rip off the Band-Aid, or the fancy wrapping. It's a watch, okay? It is the Google Pixel Watch 4. Now, I've got to share with you, I had been wearing the Pixel Watch 3, but I dropped it. And unfortunately, I smashed the glass on it just 4 weeks ago. So, been looking forward to getting my hands on the Pixel Watch 4 because, well, for one, it's not broken, it's brand new. Let's have a look at this. I'm pretty excited about this because I know one of the main features on this new watch is the fact that we get a little more screen. In fact, 10% more screen is the word. So let's see if we can, oh, I know, that's right. I've got to tear the little tabs off. Got to tear the tabs off. There we go. Is it just one this time? It is just one. And then we'll just, there we go. Slide it out. We'll move the fancy paper to the side. Or maybe we could put it underneath. There we go. Bit of branding there. Okay, so what have they sent? This is the 45mm LTE model. So this one can function independently from your phone if you are with Optus or Telstra. So you can hook it up via its own virtual SIM. The great thing about the 45mm is going to have slightly longer battery life as well. But we should, oh, there's another little tab to pull. This looks like it'll be the watch itself. There it is. Okay, well, that's part of it. And we got to go the other way. Have to move some things out of the way here. Right, and this will be the band. Small. Large. I'm going to go for the large. Let's see if we can just get it all out of the box and turned on. I just got to remember which way I wear it. Because I haven't been wearing the Pixel Watch for a few weeks, I've actually forgotten which way you do it because I wear mine on my left side. There we go. There's our watch, fully assembled. Feel like that's how I wear it. Yeah, okay. Let's just fire it up. So obviously I've got to pair that with the phone, and I don't want to do that as part of the unboxing. But again, highlights, we get 10% more screen without it being a physically larger screen. They've managed to push the pixels out further to the edge. We get the 45mm model, we are getting up to 40 hours just out of normal use on the 45mm model, 30 hours on the 41mm. And if you use battery saver mode, you could push it out to 72 hours on the 45mm model, which is great because I've always found that with some smartwatches, you couldn't take it away for a weekend without having to bring your charger with you. But at least you could go away for a weekend and use this. And if you had it on battery saver mode, you could actually push it out to 2-3 days, which is really cool. That's probably wanting to pair with the watch, but there it is. Pixel Watch 4. I'm going to be checking it out over the... it's asking to pair with the phone now, and I'm using the phone to film. So when and the phone's on Do Not Disturb because I found previously that if the device you're unboxing wants to pair with your phone, it could interfere with the filming. So that's a lesson you only learn once. All right, so check back soon. I'll have some more thoughts on the new Pixel 4 watch from Google. Thanks for watching. Actually, just a really quick afterthought that I had as I was setting up the Pixel Watch 4 is I didn't quite fully unbox because, of course, under the actual watch face itself, in this small box, we actually have the charging mechanism, just so you don't think that they've not included that, you know, expecting you to just use the previous one. There is actually... Let's just pull all of this apart really quick. There's our charging cable. And we have a slightly different looking base there to charge the watch on. So yes, that is in the box. I just wanted to make sure I did the complete unboxing, and so that does include the charging base there as well. And that is definitely it for now. I'll be back soon with some more unboxing.